Welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is the channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Okay, so what we got going on today? Today is day 5 of cello week, and our last cello would be Key Lime. Ain't that a cute little thing? Key Lime-Cello. This ought to be pretty interesting. Okay, so first things first, if you get a chance, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell, share us with your friends, give us a thumbs up if you like what you see, and leave a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So today is the last install of cello week. I don't know. Let me figure this out. I think what we'll do is one more video on cello week, and we'll do the tasting all at one time. That'll be pretty interesting. Okay, that's how we're going to do it. So, this is day 5 of cello week, and we're going to finish up with Key Lime. Now what? Like I've said it in every other video before, make sure you wash your fruit. This one might be a little bit of a challenge to peel, or zest, whatever we'd like to call it, because it's a little thing. So I ain't sure if we're going to use a vegetable or a regular, whatever you call it. We'll try this first. Okay. This just might take a while, that's all. But this is working, actually it ain't working half bad. Ah, the smell of a key lime is out of this world. But I'll try it with both things. Now first I'll do it with this. It's peeling a little bit too much, I think. I'm going to try it with the I don't know what to do. I think I'm going to try to peel them with the vegetable peel, but I got to finish this one with this. Okay, so let me get these peeled, zested, and I'll be back. Alright, them little things were fun to work with, I'm telling you. Okay, so what I ended up doing is using 10 of them. And we'll see how this turns out. I've never used key lime before. Alright, and just like we did the other ones, I've been putting about 400 milliliters in. Okay, that's our key lime. So like I said before, our next step will be after about a week. We'll strain this out, and we'll add in our syrup, and then we'll put it in a bottle and put it in a freezer and enjoy. Okay, so we'll be back with our next step. Okay. Okay, this is our last cello, Key Lime-Cello. I mean, that's gorgeous color. I have to admit, this has been a fun week. We got a lot of good drink. All right, so let's check this one out. All the color is out of the rind. zest, or whatever you would like to call it. I mean, if you see it, it's kind of like hard, and all the color's gone. No more green left in that, really. All right. So the next thing we do, we're going to add in our simple sugar. I didn't even get to take a smell of that one. Smelled real limey. Ooh. Ooh. That's going to be good. That is going to be good. Okay. That finishes up our 5 cellos. So like I said before, we'll put these on ice in the freezer, let them get real cold, and we'll have a tasting. Okay. So we'll see you at the tasting. Okay.